In this video, I'm going to talk about the best invoice and billing software for small businesses. So let's get started. So invoicing and billing software is essential for small businesses to streamline their financial operations, ensure timely payments, and maintain accurate records. So the right software can automate invoicing processes, manage expenses, and provide insights into your business's financial health. So here are some of the best invoicing and billing software options for small businesses. So first is FreshBooks, next is QuickBooks, and Zoho Invoice. So first, let's talk about FreshBooks. So, FreshBooks is a highly regarded invoicing and accounting software designed with small business owners and freelancers in mind. So, it offers a user friendly interface and a range of features that simplify the invoicing process, from creating and sending invoices to tracking time and managing expenses. FreshBooks is particularly appreciated for its ability to automate many routine tasks, reducing administrative burdens and helping businesses focus on growth. So the platform also provides a robust mobile app, allowing users to manage their finances from anywhere. So why is it good for small businesses? So first is its ease of use. So FreshBooks is known for its intuitive design and straightforward navigation, making it easy for small business owners to generate and manage invoices without extensive training or technical expertise. Next is its comprehensive features. So beyond invoicing, FreshBooks include time tracking, expense management, and financial reporting, offering a well-rounded solution for freelancers and small businesses. So the benefits of FreshBooks is its automated invoicing. So FreshBooks automates the creation and delivery of invoices, including recurring invoices and automatic payment reminders, which saves time and reduces the risk of human error. The next benefit is expense tracking. So it provides tools to capture and organize expenses by integrating with your bank accounts and credit cards, allowing for better financial management and easier tax preparation. So the key features of FreshBooks is its customizable invoices. So users can personalize invoice templates with their branding, including logos and custom fields, ensuring that invoices reflect their business's unique identity. Next key feature is its client portal. So features a client portal where customers can view, download, and pay invoices online, improving payment efficiency and enhancing the client experience. So the next service or software is QuickBooks. So, QuickBooks Online is a leading accounting software that offers robust invoicing and billing features as part of its broader financial management suite. So, it caters to small and medium sized businesses with its extensive range of tools for managing finances, from invoicing and expense tracking to payroll and tax preparation. So, QuickBooks Online is known for its powerful reporting capabilities and seamless integration with a variety of third party applications, making it a versatile choice for businesses looking to streamline their accounting processes and gain deeper insights into their financial health. So, why is QuickBooks good for small businesses? So, first is its integration capabilities. So, QuickBooks Online integrates with numerous third party applications and financial tools, allowing for a seamless flow of data and enhanced functionality across various business operations. Next is its comprehensive accounting. So it offers a wide array of accounting features beyond invoicing, such as detailed financial reporting, expense tracking, and payroll management, making it a one stop solution for business accounting needs. So the benefit of QuickBooks is its customizable invoicing, so users can create and customize invoices, set up recurring billing, and automate follow-up reminders for unpaid invoices, helping businesses manage their cash flow more effectively. Next is detailed reporting. So it provides in-depth financial reports and analytics, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow forecasts, aiding businesses in tracking performance and making informed decisions. So the key features of QuickBooks is its automated payment reminders. So it sends automatic reminders to clients for overdue invoices, reducing the need for manual follow-ups and improving payment collection. The next key feature is its mobile app. So the QuickBooks Online mobile app allows users to manage invoices, track expenses, and access financial reports from anywhere, providing flexibility and convenience. Now the next is Zoho Invoice. So Zoho Invoice is an invoicing and billing software that is part of the Zoho suite of business applications. So it is designed to meet the needs of small businesses with its extensive invoice features, including customizable templates, multi-currency support, and automated workflows. So Zoho Invoice is recognized for its affordability and its seamless integration with other Zoho products, offering a comprehensive solution for managing various aspects of business operations. So the platform's focus on automation and customization helps businesses streamline their billing processes and improve client interactions. So why is Zoho Invoice good? So first, for its affordability. So Zoho Invoice offers a cost-effective solution with competitive pricing plans, including a free plan for businesses with basic invoicing needs, making it an attractive option for small businesses on a budget. Next is its integration with Zoho Suite. So seamlessly integrates with other Zoho applications such as Zoho CRM and Zoho Books, providing a unified ecosystem for managing customer relationships and financial data. So the key features of Zoho Invoice is its automated workflow. So it includes features for automating invoicing, expense tracking, and payment reminders, helping businesses save time and reduce manual tasks. Next is its client portal. So it provides a client portal where customers can view, download, and pay invoices online, streamlining the payment process and improving client satisfaction. So, selecting the best invoicing and billing software for your small business depends on your specific needs and budget. So, uh, each of these options has unique strengths, and the best choice will align with your business specific requirements, such as ease of use, integration capabilities, or cost effectiveness. So, that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.